Hey everyone, what's up? What's going on? Welcome to our Forex weekly forecast for this week, guys, for the week of September 13 to the 17th. This is the second week already trending the month of September. Month is moving pretty quick, so I'm super excited for that. So today I'm gonna share with you step by step how I'm gonna break down each pair. So hopefully everything makes sense. Stay with me to the end, or stay with me so at least you can get an idea of one of your favorite pair that I'm gonna analyze. Hopefully that help you to determine what the market is all gonna be doing. Remember, guys, this is Teamwitherving here. If you want the best tips, tricks, analysis, and strategy here on our Forex channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click that bell to be notified so you don't ever miss any content from us. Once again, guys, today we're gonna be going through our Forex weekly forecast for the week of the 13th to the 17th. Make sure you do subscribe so you will never ever miss any content from us. All right, fair enough. And let me know, guys, if you guys kind of have any question and so on, so I can answer you any of your question. All right, so let's go, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you our AUDUSD. Last week someone asked me to analyze this pair in 1 hour. We de-analyzed it in 1 hour. So remember, AUDUSD, now we're going to 4 hours. Today, guys, the market's still here, giving us a buy position. Our TWE sniper still in a buy position. If you do pay attention here, the market it's bullish. What is the market doing at this real time, guys? The market is doing at this real time is giving us a pullback. So pullback still very active at this position here, and it's still giving us a continuation of this sales position here. So once again, pullback still active. I don't see anything else. What is my understanding for this pair, guys? Market still has potential to retest your 38.2 Fibonacci line, which is previous support and resistance anyway. So from there, market is gonna make a retracement back up to your 23.6, then finally will continue as a bearish position. By then it's gonna be Wednesday, guys. We're gonna meet this coming Wednesday, where we're gonna review the market. We're gonna do the before and after. Right now we're doing all the data that does not exist. Remember, I always say this because it's very important for you to understand anyway. We analyze it on our Teamwitherving channel is data that does not exist. Yes, we want to know what's going to happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So but right now we don't have no data, so we're gonna come back on Wednesday and see how this analysis works. But so far, guys, this month of September we are nailing it. We have 100% on our weekly analysis, which is pretty dang good. So I don't know what this week is all gonna be, but hey, let's do our best. All right, guys, let me know, guys. One quick thing that is very important for you as well is, please, guys, I always said, please do not listen to me, guys. This is very important. Please do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose, guys. This business is very risky. You can win big, you can win, you can also lose. So if you don't know how to trade, please, if you want me to teach you, let me know in the comment below so I can help you out, so you can make hundreds and hundreds of pips using our system. Or if you want to get a 30-day trial, guys, you are more than welcome to join our YouTube Gold membership. You can join if you don't want to grab the multiple time frame yet. You're gonna see, okay, let me see what is Erving is all about. And then if you are fully ready to go, guys, you are more than welcome to join. There it is. You can join our multiple time frame right away, so you don't have to wait. All right, hopefully that makes sense. All right, so the next pair that I have for you guys, it is USD Canadian. USD Canadian, guys. Once again, last week the market was doing a pretty heavy pullback, so market this week is gonna go in continuation of the trend. Remember that. So look at here, market still selling. Our TW sniper entry is also selling. So what are we seeing here? Look at here, market right now at this present time, it is bullish. If you pay attention to your dashboard, guys, the dashboard will give you the answer of your whatever analysis the pair that you are looking into it. So like for instance, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 50 minutes, 5 minutes, it is bullish. So we remember this buy position here that you are seeing here, it is a pullback. So right now market is giving us a pullback, and look at here, even though that it try to give us a small retracement, continuation of the trend, but here it is, our multiple time frames still kicking butt, still going where, still going bullish. What is my understanding for this guy? Market still has potential to either retest this previous multiple time frame arrow here, which is gonna be somewhere in here. Then from there, remember, market is selling, guys. Market is selling, so we're looking for sales, right? I always tell the trader, like, look, guys, you guys need to find your niche. Find what kind of trader you want to be. Try to trade the market. If the market is bearish, only look for bearish. If the market is bullish, only look for bullish. Stop trading pullbacks. Pullback can kill your account. And then from there, boom, market will continue as a sell position. All right, fair enough. Let me know, guys, if you guys have any question. I'm here with you anyway live. It's very important anyway for me to understand, to know what you are doing. Remember, today we are doing our Forex weekly forecast, guys, for the week of 13 to the 17. Make sure you also subscribe, and our website is below, www.tweforexsystem.com. okay, make sure you guys do subscribe so you don't ever miss anything. All right, so let's pay attention to the next pair, guys. This pair here is very beautiful. EURGBP is bullish, guys. For those that don't know, market is bullish. Market is getting ready for a buy position. It doesn't mean that it's ready yet. I want you to understand that. Why am I saying this? Look at this market, original trend here, guys. We're looking for buy position. Look at this, buy, 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 and more buys. So market here on EURGBP is only doing 1 then 10. It's only bullish. So what are we seeing right at this present time? Remember what I said in the beginning, guys. Market is doing a lot of pullbacks. If you don't have multiple time frame, it will make your job a lot difficult. If you have it, it will make your job easier. But here, market is giving us a sell position. That's why you are seeing here a lot of sell. So what are we seeing here? Our multiple time frame is giving us a heads up. Remember, guys, what I'm giving you here is part of our multiple time frame. It's not the whole thing, so I don't want you to get confused. So we're getting a heads up. Hey, it's time for us to go in continuation of that buy position. Remember what I said a few minutes ago? I said, hey, if you're gonna try to trade the market, if the market is bullish, just go bullish. If the market is bearish, just go with the bearish position. So right at this present time, the market, it is getting ready to go in a continuation as a buy. Overall, I think the market still gonna make correction, coming back mid 61.8 Fibonacci line. From there, market, boom, it will take off. It will go all the way to your 38.2 Fibonacci line, and guess what? Market still gonna make a small retracement, and by then it's going to be Wednesday, and we are gonna be collecting hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. So what? Wait. It doesn't matter what you think. It is hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. So what? And hundreds of pips. Let's go. You want hundreds of pips? This is how you do it, guys. Very easy, very lovely, and bear with me, guys. I get excited. Hey, it's a show. It's a free show, guys. Look, all you have to do in this channel, this is free show here. It is. A lot of people will charge you for what I'm giving you here. They will charge you for having multiple time frame analysis. They will charge you. But look, and here in our channel, you don't have to do none of that, guys. It is what it is. You get free information. Join our Gold membership, guys. This is the way to do it, guys. You will love this business. Oh my goodness. All right, so a lot of people will charge you. I don't want you to charge. All you have to do is subscribe. That's it. It's that simple. It's that simple. It's no magic. No magic. But the decision is in your hand. So all we're doing here is trying to make the job a lot easier and so on. So just make sure you do subscribe so that you don't ever miss any content from us. All right, fair enough. All right, so let's move on to the next pair, guys. The next pair that I have for you guys, it is Eur USD. Eur USD is also, guys, doing another pullback. Last week the market was very trending as a pullback, which is fine. So look, what we're looking for here is market still bullish. Look at those bullish position here. Look at what the market is doing, guys. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard will give you the answer. So the market right now is bearish, but the trend is bullish. So what are this market representing here? It's giving us a pullback. So pullback still very active. Look at this beautiful active bearish position. Then we have a multiple time frame going in continuation of that trend. So the market still here selling. So what's my understanding for this week, guys? This is gonna be amazing. Look at here, market still have potential to retest your 38.2 to your 50 Fibonacci line. We still have evidence here. Market still has room to drop more pips. The market will continue this buy position. Remember, market here is bullish. Market will continue this buy position all the way to your 23.6 Fibonacci. You know what? Let me correct this, guys. I made a mistake here. I should have said the market is gonna come back and retest your 50 Fibonacci line. Let me make a correction here with you live. This is a live session. There you go. We're gonna do it like this. Yep, that's beautiful. And then someone asked me, Erving, how the hell you analyze your pair? Well, come and join our Gold membership, guys. I will show you exactly how I break everything up. But the market here has potential to go bullish because we're looking for buy position. Yes, more retracement will hit from the 23.6 Fibonacci, but overall market still gonna go bullish because we're looking only for a buy position. That's it. That's it. We're not looking for something else. All right. Hopefully that makes sense, guys. Let me know. Come and join us. Join our Gold membership. The description of our Gold membership is on the link is in the description of this video. Same thing with our website. The website is below, TWEForexSystem.com. So the next pair that I have for everyone here, guys, it is, remember, USDJPY. It is selling at this present time, guys. It is very active. So look at this one. Why is selling, right? That's the question of the day, of the week. So here it is. Market is bearish. TW sniper entry is selling. But remember, market is doing a small retracement right now, going where? Going against those sales position, right? Sell. But look at this. Look at the dashboard. Boom, everything is telling you, hey, John, Smith, Bill, Yo, Ben, everyone here. Market is giving us a retracement. So market is very active, retesting the 50, the golden Fibonacci level, which is your 50. Look at how many bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds already. Boom, 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 boom. It's trying to have it a hard time to break the Fibonacci level. But overall, guys, market, yes, it is giving us a small retracement. So what my understanding for this week, guys, market now is gonna make a retracement, retesting previous 38 Fibonacci line, and then market will continue still on that buy position because right now market is bullish, guys. Market, this retracement here is still active. Then by then it's gonna be Wednesday and we're gonna see the market dropping. So anyway, so market right now, my guy, it is bullish. That's all I'm saying. So it's just making a small retracement. But guys, today I'm giving you a lot of freebies here. So I'm giving you AUDUSD, I'm giving you USD Canadian, here is your USD Canadian, EURGBP, Eur Usd, USDJPY. I was gonna analyze gold, but let me know in the comment below if you guys want me to analyze gold. But we have a trade here on AUDUSD, guys. It has $4,000 already. Here, look at that. It has a trade for 400 pips already, equal to $4,000. It is in there. So your question is, do you want to join multiple time frame? The link is on the description of this video, guys. It's no magic here. Come and join us. Come and join us. Stop wasting your money. Come and learn with us, guys. If you do subscribe to our Gold membership, please send me a private message so we can give you access to our chat room, to our secret links and so on, so you won't miss anything. So we're gonna do class this coming Tuesday and we're gonna roll. So remember, what are we doing today, right? That's the question that you want to know. Today it is, guys, today we just analyzing our Forex weekly forecast for the week of what? For the week of the 13th to the 17th, right? So that's what we're doing. That's what it is. Forex weekly forecast for the week of the 13th to the 17th. Let me make this bigger so you can see it clearly. There it is. So come and join us. Make sure you do subscribe. Team with Erving. Once again, guys, I want to thank everyone for coming in here today. If you guys find value on this video, guys, and you want to support me and support the channel, make sure you hit me a thumbs up and also drop me a comment below so I will know what you want me to do next time. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to share it with your other fellow traders and be sure to subscribe. Hasta la vista, guys. God bless you. God bless our beautiful nation, and God bless the world as well. Take care, guys. Peace out. Bye bye.